Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to disconnect your Kia Stinger battery. First, always prioritize safety by wearing protective gear like gloves and eye protection. Ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. The battery in a Kia Stinger is typically found in the trunk, often beneath the floor panel, so you will need to access that area first. To access the battery, open your Stinger's trunk and carefully lift the floor panel. You may find a few fasteners or a small protective cover that needs to be removed to fully expose the battery. Take a moment to clearly identify both the positive and negative terminals before you proceed with any disconnections. This step ensures you are ready for the next crucial stage. Now for the disconnection process. Using a 10mm wrench, first loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal. Carefully remove this cable and secure it so it cannot accidentally touch any metal. Next, loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. It is crucial that neither of the disconnected cables touches any metal components of the car to prevent short circuits. Once the battery is disconnected, ensure both cables are securely positioned away from the terminals. When you are ready to reconnect, always attach the positive cable first, followed by the negative cable. Use your wrench to tighten both nuts firmly, ensuring a secure connection. Double-check everything is snug before you close the trunk and complete the process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.